At the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize the structure of an article, understand features of a good article, and also identify techniques for making an article more interesting by giving clear, concrete examples. Well, first of all, you need to read Paulina's article about her upbringing. After reading her article, try to choose the best title, one of these three. This is the article itself. Take time to read it, and then we will discuss some things about the article. If you want to write a good article for a magazine or a website, you should have an idea about the features of a good article. In exercise 1, 8 features are given. Your task will be to choose 4 that you think are the most important in a magazine article. Then discuss your ideas with a partner if you have some. If you don't know, just think which features you consider the most important. And then answer the question, to what extent has Paulina included these features in her article? Probably you will change your opinion about some of them. Another important thing in writing an article is to include good examples. Another way to make an article more interesting is to give clear, concrete examples. Well, here some examples are given, and the phrases like in the case of, take for example, such as, can be helpful and useful in phrases when you want to give examples. So the question to answer is where we can use the words like and for instance instead of these phrases, which are synonyms to these phrases. And the next thing to do is to complete these sentences using expressions from these examples. Well, the next thing is to discuss, to share some ideas with your partner, and think of some sentences that will be true for you. Discuss them with your partner and ask each other questions and answer questions of your partner. Then try to give a good title for your article describing each of your experiences. So article is very important because title for an article is very important because you are going to, well, give in a very short way what the article is about. So in the box you can see phrases which can be used in talking about one's upbringing, like, my parents had a lot of rules about something. We were not allowed to do something. I am grateful to my parents for something. Well, and now this is time, using your notes and discussion, to write an article about your own upbringing. And of course, try to follow instructions and tips, include some of the features of a good article. Now you have an idea about them. That's it. I hope you will take some useful ideas from this lecture for writing an article, and see you later. Good luck.